Software development has transformed from a niche skill into a mainstream necessity, shaping how we interact with technology daily. From the early days of simple coding to today's complex systems, software development services have become invaluable. They save time, provide access to expert knowledge, and are more affordable than ever, especially in a world where remote work is the norm. What exactly does a software development firm do? It's a company that takes on the comprehensive task of creating software, from gathering requirements and designing to coding, testing, and maintenance. These firms are the architects of the digital tools that power businesses and personal lives alike. The software development process is a meticulous journey through stages like analysis, planning, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Each phase is critical, ensuring the software not only meets the initial requirements, but also adapts to evolving needs and technologies. It's a cycle of continuous improvement, responding to user feedback and market changes. Software development companies come in two flavors: product-based and service-based. Product-based companies like Google and Microsoft create software solutions to sell directly to users. Service-based companies, on the other hand, tailor their expertise to develop custom software projects for their clients, focusing on specific business needs and industry demands. When partnering with a software development service company, expect a range of services from building bespoke software solutions to delivering business intelligence tools and IT consultancy. These firms are equipped to handle various tasks, including web application development, system integration, and even data backup and recovery. With the rise of technologies like the Internet of Things, software development services are not just about creating programs, but enabling a connected and intelligent digital ecosystem.